Well, Bonnie, Mitch, and Chris, this is your little baby. 3 weeks and 3 days old today. Picture of baby in the incubator. So alert. What do you have to say? Yeah, too cute. You ready to eat soon? Can't quite tell feathers yet. We're getting closer. But not quite yet. There we go. Look at you. Aren't you just the cutest thing on the planet? Yes. Want to say hi to your mom and dad? Huh? There you go. There you go. Let's stay warm now. There we go. Okay, we'll turn the incubator back on. Hi, Mom. Bye, Dad.